If you have recently been wondering about Christmas decorations on Amazon, then this video is for you. In this video we detail about Christmas tree with informative details and customer reviews, so that you can know A to Z about Christmas decorations. Let's go!
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be
Number 1. Desktop Miniature Pine Tree Tabletop Christmas Tree Small Pine Tree Decor Christmas Tree Topper. About this item, highlight the party theme. The exquisite white cedar design and pleasant color with comfortable texture will be perfect for Christmas indoor or outdoor decoration. Stands stably. Mini Christmas tree has solid wood base for stability, great for Christmas decor. Won't wither, an eco non-woven fabric, plastic and wooden base, and this item is made of premium material for durable and long-lasting use. You could also use it in next year's. Save Christmas expenses. Creative crafts. Lightweight for portable movement, it could be a perfect Christmas.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good
Number 2. Joyan 5 pieces Christmas theme bathroom decoration set with toilet seat cover, rugs, tank cover. Super value pack. Our Christmas theme bathroom decoration set includes toilet seat cover, rug, tank cover, tissue box cover, and hand towel. One size fits all. Unique design. Our Christmas theme bathroom decoration set includes Santa design, made of soft and high quality craftsmanship material. Ensures this toilet cover set for bathroom can be used year after year, eco-friendly. Ideal decor. Those Christmas decoration bathroom set are perfect for Christmas home decoration, home and house Christmas event party favor supplies, holiday season, funny toilet seat cover, bathroom Christmas decorations, and more. High quality, flexible material, reusable, washable, non-toxic, meet US toy standard, safety test approved. Customer satisfaction. Providing a 100% satisfaction experience is our main priority to our customers. Feel free to message us through contact sellers if products don't meet your expectations. The celebration.
Today's gonna be a
Number. There, Ivan Christmas decorations outdoor yard front porch sign set. Red black buffalo plaid door banner.
good day.
About this item, new Christmas design. This buffalo Christmas porch sign set is designed with winter snowflakes patterns and Merry Christmas, which can boost Christmas atmosphere a lot. Ready to hang. Each Christmas banner has sturdy poles and ropes on top to hang and on bottom to secure position. Won't get blown and twisted about with the breeze. High quality. The Christmas hanging porch sign is made of highly dense fabrics, sturdy and durable as Christmas door decorations. Colors don't fade in rains. Multi-scenes. You can use this Christmas decor in house, office, shop, wall, yard, patio, front porch, garage door, etc. Impressed Merry Christmas.
Today's gonna be a good day.
Number 4. LED Christmas lights plug-in snowfall LED lights outdoor waterproof. Safe and energy efficient, powered by US standard plug with all certified. The Meteor shower lights has 7V working voltage. It's safe, no risk of fire and low power consumption. The premium PVC wire is corrosion resistant and aging resistant. Support the lights to be used for longer time. Waterproof tube and bright LED. This Christmas lights is IP65 waterproof and withstand rainy and snowy weather, perfect for outdoor use. We use high quality SMD2835 LED beads to make the Meteor lights brighter and more attractive even in long distance. Please keep the plug away from water. Holiday decoration. This dreamy Meteor shower rain lights is ideal for many indoor and outdoor occasions. Christmas tree, Halloween, wedding, birthday party, window, porch, roof, front yard, patio, garden. Also suitable for business decorations, such as shopping mall.
Hey, wake up, today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just
Number 5. JBL Live Pro 2 TWS True Wireless. Tabletop birch tree lights, overall height of 2 feet, with a 4-inch square base and 24 warm white lights. The tree trunk and branches are wrapped in birch bark looking tape, which is attractive, and beautiful timer function button on the top of the stand that press once to steady on, twice for timer, and a third time to turn off. No need to turn the tree light over to mess with the switch. Adjustable branch. The tree branch is flexible and can be reshaped just the way you want it. Also, sturdy enough to hold lightweight accessories that refer to different
all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a
Please click the link in the video description to purchase the product. Stay tuned to the channel by subscribing to Amazon's best product reviews. Thanks for watching the video.
Today's gonna be a good